Welcome to my channel. The 2026 Tesla Roadster is not just a new chapter in electric vehicles, it's a revolution on four wheels. Born from a promise to deliver the fastest, most advanced production car on the planet, the Roadster represents Tesla's uncompromising pursuit of performance, efficiency, and design. It begins with acceleration that bends your understanding of speed. From a standstill, the car launches to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds. 0 to 100 happens in under 4.2 seconds. The quarter-mile time, under 8.9 seconds. And while most cars tape out, the Roadster keeps going, reaching a top speed of over 250 miles per hour. Thanks to a tri-motor all-electric drivetrain that delivers over 10,000 Newton-meters of wheel torque. Each motor is individually controlled for precise torque vectoring across all four wheels. This isn't just about straight-line speed, it's about total grip in every corner. It sticks to the road like a Formula car, whether you're tearing through hairpins or accelerating out of tight bends. Beneath the sculpted exterior lies a lightweight, ultra-rigid carbon fiber chassis designed for maximum strength and minimum weight. The body is aerodynamically optimized, with an active aero system that adapts in real time to driving conditions, reducing drag on highways and increasing downforce when cornering at speed. The battery pack is a new generation of Tesla's structural battery architecture. Tucked beneath the floor, it not only powers the car but reinforces the structure. With the 200 kilowatt-hours capacity, this Roadster is capable of driving more than 620 miles on a single charge under ideal conditions. This means a weekend drive from Los Angeles to San Francisco and back on one charge, without compromise. Charging is handled by Tesla's latest V4 supercharging network. A 350 kilowatt supercharger can deliver hundreds of miles of range in under 15 minutes. The Roadster supports both ultra-fast DC charging and level 2 AC charging, giving drivers flexibility on the go. Inside the cockpit, the design philosophy is minimalist, driver-focused, and unrelentingly futuristic. A panoramic glass canopy fully removably offers a convertible experience with the structural integrity of a coupe. The roof can be removed manually and stored in the trunk, allowing an open-air experience without compromise. The steering system has evolved. While a traditional wheel is optional, Tesla's proprietary drive-by-wire system supports a yoke configuration, optimized for track precision and high-speed stability. Haptic feedback, configurable drive modes, and adaptive damping create a dynamic, intelligent driving profile that changes based on the road, weather, and driver preference. The infotainment system is powered by Tesla's custom silicon hardware, offering GPU-level graphics, ultra-low latency response, and higher-resolution visuals on a 17-inch cinematic touchscreen. Every system is integrated a climate, navigation, drive modes, and media, all updated over the air with the latest features and enhancements. Connectivity is seamless. 5G support, real-time traffic prediction, native streaming, and full Tesla Autopilot integration are standard. The Roadster is capable of full self-driving under Tesla's current software roadmap, with 8 surround cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and radar for full environmental awareness. Driver and passengers sit low, with race-inspired bucket seats upholstered in premium synthetic suede or vegan leather options. Every detail is engineered for comfort at speed. Contoured bolsters, 4-point harness options, and active seat cooling and heating. Storage is surprisingly generous for a supercar. A front trunk, and rear trunk combine to offer more usable cargo space than any other car in its class. The Roadster is designed to be driven, not stored. It's a daily drivable hypercar. And then, there's the SpaceX package. An optional upgrade includes cold gas thrusters. Yes, actual rocket technology. Powered by compressed air tanks integrated around the vehicle. These thrusters offer additional vector control, potentially reducing 0-60 times even further and allowing brief bursts of downforce, cornering assist, or braking enhancement. It's experimental. It's extreme. and it's real. Everything about the Roadster is a challenge to the legacy automotive world. It's not just electric, it's faster than internal combustion. Not just efficient, it's emotionally explosive. The quiet of the cabin is unnerving at first until you feel the G-forces pulling you back into your seat. There's no lag, no gears, no delay, just an unfiltered surge of power. This is not just a car, it's the distillation of what Tesla stands for: relentless innovation, daring design, and the promise that the future of driving doesn't sacrifice thrill for responsibility. The 2026 Tesla Roadster is proof that sustainability and speed can coexist, that electric can be exotic, and that tomorrow's supercars won't need gasoline to take your breath away. The first time you see the 2026 Tesla Roadster, it doesn't just draw your attention, it stops time. Its stance is impossibly low, wide, and grounded. Every curve, every angle, feels honed by wind and purpose. The body is impossibly smooth, a blend of flowing aerodynamics and raw aggression. Nothing's there by accident. The Roadster isn't just beautiful, it's functional art, shaped by physics. Approach it, and the flush door handles dissolve into the body. A subtle chime confirms the car's readiness before you even open it. The door glides open electronically, stepping low, snug, like entering a fighter jet. There's no key. It knows who you are. The cabin is silent, sealed off from the outside. You're surrounded by an unbroken horizon of minimalist design. The dashboard is clean, purposeful. No clutter. Just a sweeping panoramic windshield, a monolithic touchscreen, and a steering interface unlike anything else on the road. Whether you've opted for the yoke or traditional wheel, it feels tight, direct, as if your hands are connected to the road through pure thought. You don't turn it on, you press the brake and breathe. The motors hum to life, though you feel it more than you hear it. You toggle the drive media: comfort, sport, track, and the entire vehicle's posture shifts. Suspension lowers, airflow adjusts, regeneration tightens, pedal response sharpens. The car becomes aware, ready. Push the accelerator. There's no delay, just force, pure, instantaneous propulsion. The front wheels pull, the rear wheels push, and you're thrown forward with no gears, no shifts, no hesitation. 60 miles per hour arrives before your brain has a chance to process it. 1.9 seconds. And it doesn't stop. 100 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds. The quarter mile comes and goes in under 9. The world blurs, but the car stays perfectly composed. It doesn't bounce. It doesn't fight. It flows, hunkered down by an adaptive suspension system that reads the road 1,000 times per second. Each motor distributes power independently to control yaw, grip, and balance. You don't feel like you're steering. You feel like you're carving space itself. Behind that velocity is a tri-motor setup, one up front, two at the rear, are capable of more than 1,100 horsepower and over 10,000 Newton-meters of wheel torque. These aren't just big numbers. These are figures that break the rules of what a road-legal vehicle can do. And it does all this without a single drop of gasoline. The 200 kilowatt-hours battery pack is a structural component. It spans the floor, lowering the center of gravity while reinforcing the frame. It's both a muscle and a spine. With an estimated range of over 620 miles on a single charge, the Roadster doesn't just go fast, it goes far, farther than any sports car in history. And when it needs energy, the latest supercharger V4 tech brings in up to 350 kilowatts, reclaiming hundreds of miles in minutes. Take a corner, and it's like entering a vortex. The Roadster squats into the apex, tires gripping with near telepathic precision. Torque vectoring distributes power in milliseconds, maximizing grip where it is needed, taming the raw fury of electric acceleration with microcontrolled finesse. It's not scary, it's surgical. Everything feels right, natural, even at speeds that would shred lesser machines. Inside, you're not just sitting in a car, you're in an experience. See, a quiet, yes, but never sterile. A landscape of touch-responsive surfaces, ambient lighting, and augmented HUD overlays gives you information only when you need it. The center touchscreen is an evolution of Tesla's already advanced UI, faster, smoother, and even more intuitive. You swipe through navigation, music, climate, and track data as easily as you swipe a smartphone. The sound system is custom built for this cabin. Audio feel grade, zero distortion, tuned to the silence of electric propulsion. Whether you're cruising or pushing the limit, the soundtrack is yours to define. Climate control is quad-zoned. Ventilation is hidden behind magnetic fans that adjust themselves. The seats cradle you in bolstered luxury, heatable, coolable, and designed to keep you firmly in place as you experience lateral G's most drivers will never know. Materials are sustainable, premium, and entirely vegan by default. You can opt for Alcantara, carbon fiber, or backlit composite textures, tailored to your preferences. Safety hasn't been compromised for speed. The Roadster is equipped with Tesla's latest generation autopilot and full self-driving hardware, constantly improving with over-the-air updates. It sees in every direction, it watches every angle, and it's learning every day, preparing for a time when your hands are optional. But the experience remains essential. Even practicality hasn't been ignored. The car offers real cargo space, a trunk up front and a usable rear trunk, allowing room for weekend bags or a compact drone setup. The removable roof stores neatly in the trunk, transforming your hypercar into a convertible at will, without sacrificing structure. And for those who want to push further, there's the optional SpaceX package. Cold gas thrusters, hidden behind the license plate and body panels, powered by compressed air tanks. These jets provide lateral bursts of force for improved acceleration, cornering, and even braking. It's experimental, radical, legal in some jurisdictions, track only in others, but very real. Every time you drive the Roadster, you're not just going somewhere, you're entering a state of mind. No emissions, no rumble, no roar, just the future delivered with velocity. The 2026 Tesla Roadster isn't just a fast car, it isn't just an electric car, it's a total reinvention of what the vehicle can be. A machine that thrills without waste, a hypercar that redefines what's possible without burning a single drop of fuel.